Y'all know the rap. Check it out. Listen, my name is Bumpy Knuckles. I write that fucking flame and kill for the right price. I got a bucket name, a 40 caliber toothbrush stuck in aim. We roll like 18 wheelers in the trucking game. I'm nice with mics. There's nothing more I like than to paralyze your left side and leave you all right. I'll be laying in front of your crib with techie all night, trying to get them 9mm loaded up tight. Listen, I'm like a Cadillac. I write a battle rap. So smooth contest, you'll be out of that. Y'all know the beef is stewing, cause Bumpy came to ruin. You may be signed, but you don't know what the fuck you doing. I make a height hot, I make dope raw, and send you higher than a long coat 4-4. You know the only rap pimp that kept a whole paw and slam a fool on his back and break the whole floor. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Don't stop, don't stop on. Once the cops are gone, this is real street spit, you best be warned. Tell your favorite MC the mic